make some spicy pickled onions. Ignore the mess. I'm gonna do it in a 60-40 ratio of vinegar to water. 300 mils of this, 300 mils of this, and then 400 mils of water. We heat it up. That's our pickling jar. So using the plain white vinegar and the apple cider vinegar gives it quite a nice balance in the pickle. Like it's not too, it doesn't kick you in the face too much. So let's do 300 mils of this. But it's still got a nice punch, you know. Again, can we get this out? Let's see. There we go. Roughly 300 mils of that. And then we'll do 400 mils of water. Touch more. All right, gonna get this going. We're gonna put some salt in here. I really like this little salt shaker. It's got enough kind of allowance to let the salt flow that I can just kind of pour it into stuff like this. But I don't have to grab it in pinches. This is just regular table salt. I do also have flaky salt in here, and this is MSG as well. Onions. Hopefully these are still good. I like to separate them out a bit so that the pickling liquid can get in between everything. I always take the first layer of an onion because the first layer can be kind of tough sometimes, especially if you're using it in like a salad or something. You see this one, it's quite like barky. So I always take the first layer. Got some leftover chilies. They're kind of a bit past their life, but I think they'll be fine in a pickle. I'm going to use a couple of these. So we're almost ready to go. Just going to turn that down a bit. Let's do some garlic as well. Right, I'm not going to crush this garlic because I don't want it to like fall apart in the pickle. I'm going to slice it, so unfortunately that means I have to go through the effort of peeling it fully. You know, usually when you crush garlic, the peel just comes right off. I'm not going to be able to do that. and then let it cool, put it in the fridge. Hey buddy.